Assalamualaikum to all parents and my dear students. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do page number 22 of your maths workbook. Page number 22 of your maths workbook, and the topic is making groups of 7. Making groups of 7. Okay students, before starting page number 22, I have an interesting activity or a game for you. Do you want to play game? Okay, I'll explain you what are the rules for that game. Then you can play it with your fellows at your homes. So what is the game? It's very interesting. What you have to do, you will place a rug in the middle of your room, and now you will arrange your fellows in the group of 7. For example, if you have 9 fellows, then you have to then 2 fellows will stand up from the rug. So 7 fellows will be sitting on the rug. And if you have 5 fellows, then what you will do? Then you need 2 more fellows to sit on the rug for making the set of 7, because you cannot add more students than 7, or you cannot allow them to sit less than 7. So if you are 5 in number, you will add 2 more fellows. They will sit on this mat or rug to make the group of 7. Okay, now you will tell me, if you are 8 children, if you are 8 friends or 8 children, then how many will stand up from the rug? Yes, if you want to make a set of 7 students or 7 friends, then one child have to stand. Okay, so that 7 can sit on this rug. And if 4 children are playing this game, then what they will do to make the set of 7, to make the group of 7? Yes, they will need 3 more friends, 3 more fellows. 4 are already sitting, then 3 more will come and sit on the rug to make the group of 7. And if you have 10 friends, they all can't sit on this rug, because you have to make a group of only 7. 7 children can sit on the rug. Then what you will do? Then 3 children will stand. Your 3 friends will stand up and move at one side. Only 7 will sit on the rug. So it means here you will practice the same thing which we have done in our previous lectures of crossing out and adding more. If the number of children is more than 7, then you have to cross out, or you have to make them stand from the rug. And if you have less than 7, then what you have to do? You will add more fellows to make the set of 7, to make the group of 7. So this activity is same as you have done in your previous lecture. You have to add more friends, or you have to cross out or make them stand some friends, okay, so that only 7 students may sit on this rug. So try this activity or this game at your homes with your fellows. Let's start our work. Recite Bismillah before starting your work. Students, today we are going to make groups of 7. As I told you, the rule of the game which you will play at your home, that you have to make groups of 7. You can also make groups of 5, groups of 8, but here on page number 22 we are just making groups of 7. I will write on my chart and you will write on your workbook. So look at the first flower. How many petals are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 petals are drawn here and 2 are drawn in dotted form. If you will look at your workbook, you can see 5 petals are drawn properly and 2 are drawn in the dotted form. Why they are in dotted form? Because first question is done for you. Here they have given only 5 petals and you have to make a set of 7. So how many petals you will add to make it 7? आप 5 petals में कितनी और petals draw करेंगे इसको 7 बनाने के लिए? You will draw these 2 more petals. So let's draw these petals by joining the dots. It's the sixth one. 5 petals are drawn. This one is sixth. And one more to make it 7. Draw the 7th petal also. Now how many petals we have drawn more? 2. We have added 2 more petals. Plus means addition. You will add. When we add 2 petals in 5, it will become 7. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. To make a set or group of 7, you have to draw 2 more petals in 5 petals. 5 were there, we added 2 more petals, and now there are 7 petals because we are making groups of 7. Now look at the next picture. How many petals are given? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now these are 8 petals, but we need only 7 to make the group of 7. What we will do now? Yes, we will cross out one extra petal. We don't need 8 petals, we need 1 less than 8. 1 less than 8 means 7. So what we will do? We will cross one petal. Now let's count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7 petals are left and we are making groups of 7. 8 we crossed out, so we will put the sign of minus. Crossing out means minus. Minus means crossing out. How many petals we have crossed? 1. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Here petals were more in number, so we crossed. Here petals were less in number, so we added more. Now have a look on next flower. Let's count the petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now what we will do? We have 9 petals, but we need only 7 petals. So petals are more in number. How we can make them 7 in number? Yes, we will cross extra petals which are more. So let's cross. How many petals you will cross? It is written here in dotted form. 2. Trace it by joining the dots. And which sign is this? Minus. Minus means we will cross out. How many? 2 petals. So let's cross 2 petals. 1 and 2. Now we will count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need 7 petals to make the group of 7. Yes. We will write here 7. It is a group of 7 petals. Let's move to the next picture. Look at the flower. How many petals we need? We are making group of 7. But how many petals are here? Here are only 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4 petals are here. So they are less than 7. We will add more petals. How many petals we will add? It is written in dotted form. 4 plus means we are adding more. 3. So trace number 3. Petals were less than 7, so we are adding. If the petals are more than 7, we will cross. So we have to draw 3 more petals. How many petals we will draw more? 3 more petals. Now let's count. Is it 7 in number or not? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, when we added 3 more petals and 4 petals, it becomes the set of 7. Now we have total 7 petals in this flower. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. When petals were more, we crossed them out and look at the sign. Minus sign is given for crossing out. And for adding, here is the sign of plus. So in all these 4 pictures, we have made the set of group of 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 8 minus 1, 7. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3, it is also equal to 7. So by adding or crossing some numbers, we have made the groups of 7. Now revise it, and after finishing your work, you will say Alhamdulillah. Allah Hafiz.